Being a vast and intelligent designer, or let me just say an educated designer, gains you a lot of respect in this fashion world. That is why you need to know everything you can, lay your hands on in the fashion world. That is why I've brought this video to you. And so in today's video, we're going to be learning different types of skirts that are available. There are more, but these are the few I'm able to gather. How well do you know your skirts? When next the customer asks you to make a skirt for them, you'll know different variations of skirt to make. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. As you enjoyed this video, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any video that will be uploading in the future. Like my video and share with your family and friends. So let me leave you to enjoy the video. Put you in front of my melody. You are all the matters. You are all the matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all the matters. You are all the matters. Oh, 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 you are all the matters. What will I live for if I don't have you in my life? What will I do if you take the Holy Ghost? What will have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? Now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all the mothers. You are all the mothers. Oh, you are all the mothers. Oh, you are all the mothers. Oh, you are all the mothers. This picture is just to educate you on your skirt length. You should know that too, right? And these are the shoes that you should wear with each skirt length. So I hope you are educated now, and next time you can also educate your customer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was insightful. Till I see you in my next video, I love you and I care. Bye.